Good morning all. This is the fourth video of lesson number 12 of class 5 science. The name of the chapter is the moon. So in the last video we read about the eclipses. In this video we will be reading about other factors regarding satellite and the moon. So in this the next topic will be expedition to the moon. Expedition to the moon means how people have gone to the moon, and on what date they have gone, who are the people or who are the astronauts that have gone. So this is the one sentence that you should be remembering properly. That is, Neil Armstrong was the first person who set foot on the moon. That is, he landed on the moon with Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins. These were the three people who were astronauts and who landed on the moon on 20th July 1969 in the spacecraft called as Apollo 11. Clear? These three people have landed on the moon on this particular date, that is 20th July 1969, and in the spacecraft Apollo 11. That was the name of the vehicle or the spacecraft that carried them. After this, what happened is many countries have sent either manned missions, that is having astronauts in them, or unmanned missions to moon, that is without people also. Countries have successfully sent spaceship to the moon and collected different information regarding moon. Now next topic is artificial satellite. Now in the earlier class I told you, or in the earlier video, that satellite is anything that revolves around the earth. Suppose this is the moon, this is revolving around the earth with the speed of the earth. Fine, like this. So when we are sending the satellites, or when we are sending anything to revolve around the earth, that is called as the artificial satellite. Okay, when we are sending anything, why we need to send anything to the earth to revolve around the earth? Because we want different informations regarding it. So those satellites, those heavenly bodies, or those machines that are revolving around the earth, that our scientists are sending, they are called as the artificial satellites. So these are the large man-made objects that is our scientists have made, which orbits, that is like the sun is orbiting around the earth, they are also orbiting around the earth. They are of following types. First one is for scientific research, that is scientists are sending them for research purposes, that is to find out more information. Next one, weather, that is to study the weather conditions, like on the earth, if clouds are there, rains are coming in, and in particular other area also, there also the satellites will be giving the pictures of whatever is the weather to earth, so that either we can study the weather or we can forecast the weather. Forecast means telling what is going to happen after 2 days, or in the coming 2 days, coming week, whether the wind will, what kind of wind will be blowing, what kind of temperature will be there, whether it will be rainfall or not, or whether it will be cold, the days will be cold or the days will be hotter, that way. Now next is communication. Communication means talking to each other. So some of the satellites they have sent to communicate, like I am talking to a person sitting in America or Australia or India. For that it has to be reflected. It has to be reflected by the satellite. That is, voices, the waves are going from my mobile to your mobile, and that is reflected from the top of, from this the waves are from my mobile, the waves are reflected from there, it is again reflected back, sent back to you, or for television or radio transmissions, etc. So that is why the machines are there, or the satellites are there. So next is navigation, that is to help aircraft or the ship to find location. So like if an aeroplane is there that is flying in the sky, or a ship is there that is in the sea, how that particular people or people belonging to that particular ship or the aircraft will know where they are. They will be knowing if something at the top is taking the photos and sending it to them. That is done by the satellite. Okay, I hope you are knowing about the GPS system, where you can track, you can put that number or to put an address in that particular area or wherever GPS system is available. You will the people will be navigated to that. That is, it will be giving the directions, okay, which direction you will go to reach that particular place. So next is observing the earth. That is, okay, what is any enemy country is doing, or if any tsunami is coming, or if forests are being cut. For that observation, satellites are needed. Next one is military. Same purpose, what the neighbors are doing, neighboring countries are doing, what any other country is doing, whether it is useful for us or it is not useful for us, that is done by the military, or it is used for military purposes to know about the neighboring countries. Right? These are all the types of satellites.